Italy. Just the name conjures up images of romance, history, and breathtaking beauty. From the snow-capped Alps to the sun-drenched beaches, Italy offers a tapestry of experiences for every traveler. Whether you yearn for ancient ruins, world-class art, or simply a leisurely gondola ride, Italy promises an unforgettable adventure. Join us as we explore some of Italy's most captivating destinations, each with its own unique charm and allure. Get ready to fall in love with Italy. Rome, the Eternal City, is a treasure trove of ancient history and modern vibrancy. From its ancient ruins to its bustling streets, every corner of this city tells a story that spans millennia. Imagine standing in the Colosseum, where gladiators once battled for glory and survival. Feel the echoes of the past as you walk through this monumental arena, a testament to Rome's grandeur. Picture yourself tossing a coin into the Trevi fountain, ensuring your return to this magical city. The legend says that a coin thrown with your right hand over your left shoulder will guarantee your return to Rome. Lose yourself in the Vatican museums, home to Michelangelo's masterpiece, the Sistine Chapel. Marvel at the intricate details and the sheer artistry that adorns the ceiling, a true wonder of the Renaissance. And don't forget to indulge in Rome's culinary delights. From cozy trattorias to elegant restaurants, the city offers a gastronomic journey that is as rich and varied as its history. Savor a plate of pasta alla carbonara, a classic Roman dish made with eggs, cheese, pancetta, and pepper. Each bite is a taste of tradition and love for food. Sip on a cappuccino in a charming cafe, where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, and the ambiance invites you to relax and watch the world go by. And end your day with a scoop of gelato while strolling through the Piazza Navona. The vibrant square, with its fountains and street artists, is the perfect place to unwind and soak in the Roman atmosphere. Rome is a feast for the senses, a place where history comes alive, and every street and alleyway has a story to tell. From the ancient ruins to the lively piazzas, the city is a living museum. Every corner whispers stories of emperors and empires, of artists and architects, of a civilization that has shaped the world. Rome is not just a city, it's an experience, a journey through time. Florence, nestled in the heart of Tuscany, is a Renaissance jewel. Walk across the Ponte Vecchio, the only bridge in Florence spared from destruction during World War II, and admire the shops lining its sides. Gaze upon Michelangelo's David, a testament to human artistry, at the Galleria dell'Accademia. Climb to the top of the Duomo, Florence's magnificent cathedral, for breathtaking views of the city. And don't miss the Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Leonardo da Vinci, Botticelli, and Raphael. Florence is a city that will captivate your heart and inspire your soul. Section 4. Venice, the city of canals. Venice, the city built on water, is a place unlike any other. Its unique charm and beauty have captivated visitors for centuries. Glide through the canals on a gondola, serenaded by a gondolier, and marvel at the palaces and bridges that line the waterways. Each turn reveals a new perspective of this enchanting city. Visit St. Mark's Square, the heart of Venice, and admire the Byzantine architecture of St. Mark's Basilica. This iconic square is a bustling hub of activity, filled with history and culture. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets and discover hidden squares, charming shops, and cozy trattorias. Every corner of Venice holds a new surprise waiting to be explored. And don't leave without savoring the flavors of Venetian cuisine, from fresh seafood to creamy risotto. The local dishes are a true reflection of the city's rich culinary heritage. Venice is a city of dreams, a place where time seems to stand still. As the sun sets over the canals, the city takes on a magical glow, making it a perfect end to a day in this timeless city. Section 5. The Amalfi Coast. Beauty on the Mediterranean. The Amalfi Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a stunning stretch of coastline renowned for its dramatic cliffs, pastel-colored villages, and azure waters that shimmer under the Mediterranean sun. Drive along the winding Amalfi Coast Road, stopping to admire the breathtaking views, and explore charming towns like Positano, with its steep streets and vibrant atmosphere. Visit the historic town of Amalfi, with its stunning cathedral, and the hilltop town of Ravello, known for its beautiful villas and gardens. Hike the Path of the Gods for panoramic vistas that will take your breath away, or relax on sun-drenched beaches, soaking in the serene beauty of the coastline. Savor the flavors of the region's cuisine, From fresh seafood caught daily by local fishermen to traditional dishes prepared with love and care. Don't forget to try limoncello, a lemon liqueur made from the fragrant lemons that grow in abundance along the coast. The Amalfi Coast is truly a feast for the senses, a place to relax, recharge, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're exploring its charming towns, hiking its scenic trails, or simply enjoying the view, the Amalfi Coast offers something for everyone. Section 6. Conclusion. Your Italian adventure begins now. Italy beckons with its timeless beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, from the Renaissance splendor of Florence to the breathtaking Amalfi Coast, Italy offers a journey of discovery for every traveler. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to experience the magic of Italy for yourself. Your Italian adventure awaits.